Visit us on onestepenglish.com. Listening. Directions in listening section, you will hear monologues, dialogues, and academic talks.
Lucy's surprise lunch.
Lucy and Aunt Sarah wanted to surprise Lucy's mom and dad. Lucy decided to make a special lunch for them. She waited until they left the house one day. Then she and Aunt Sarah got out the things to make an egg and cheese pie. First, Lucy got out a pie pan. Then, she beat 3 eggs with some milk in a bowl. She cut some cheese into small pieces, and put the pieces into the bowl. Finally, she poured everything into the pie pan and baked it. While the pie was baking, Aunt Sarah cut up some fresh fruit and put it into a big bowl. When Lucy's mom and dad came home, the house smelled good. The pie was a wonderful surprise. Everyone ate cheese pie and fruit for lunch. Lucy's mom and dad said it was the best lunch ever.
Number 1. Which of these things happened last?
Letter A. Lucy got out a pie pan. Letter B. Lucy's mom and dad left the house. Letter C. The house smelled good.
The correct answer is letter C. The house smelled good.
Number 2. What did Lucy do before she cut the cheese?
Letter A. She baked the pie. Letter B. She beat 3 eggs with some milk. Letter C. She poured everything into the pan.
The correct answer is letter B. She beat 3 eggs with some milk.
Number 3. What was the story all about?
Letter A. The house smelled good because of the pie. Letter B. Lucy made a wonderful surprise lunch. Letter C. Aunt Sarah helped Lucy with the surprise.
The correct answer is letter B. Lucy made a wonderful surprise lunch.
Reading.
In this section, you will be required to read 2 passages on varying topics. After each passage, you will answer questions to test your ability to understand vocabulary, writer's point of view, factual information and sentence structures.
Reading number 1. Nazi looted Poussin painting found in Italy, returned to owners.
Number 1. How did the painting of Nicolas Poussin get lost?
Letter A. It was left behind in a museum. Letter B. It was stolen from its Jewish owners in France. Letter C. It was mistakenly sent to the wrong agency.
The correct answer is letter B. It was stolen from its Jewish owners in France.
Number 2. What is the main idea of the story?
Letter A. A painting that was lost in a museum. Letter B. About a painting that was retrieved by its heirs. Letter C. Where a painting was discovered.
The correct answer is letter B. About a painting that was retrieved by its heirs.
Number 3. You can tell from the story that.
Letter A. The painting is valuable. Letter B. The story happened recently. Letter C. Some people were interested in painting.
The correct answer is letter A. The painting is valuable. Reading number 2. LG smartphone exit, who stands to gain?
Number 1. According to the passage, what may be a positive effect of LG Electronics' exit in business?
Letter A. More mobile business players are coming in. Letter B. Quality phone will be available in the market. Letter C. More opportunities for Samsung in the smartphone business.
The correct answer is letter C. More opportunities for Samsung in the smartphone business.
Number 2. Why did the analyst think that Samsung would benefit more from the market from LG's exit in the business?
Letter A. Both companies compete across similar markets. Letter B. Samsung is better brand than LG's. Letter C. Samsung has trendy smartphones over LG's.
The correct answer is letter A. Both companies compete across similar markets.
Number 3. Why will Apple least likely to benefit from LG's exit in the business?
Letter A. It does not have trendy smartphones. Letter B. It caters to a more elite market share. Letter C. It is not interested in LG's business.
The correct answer is letter B. It caters to a more elite market share.
You've reached the mid part of the video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe.
Vocab. In this section, you will learn vocabulary words with its meanings and examples. In the test, there are 5 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer each question.
Owner. A noun. A person who owns something.
Example. I know the owner of this coffee shop.
Occupation. A noun. A job or profession.
Example. Her main occupation seems to be emailing letters.
Vendor. A noun. Someone who sells something.
Example. Dad bought a copy from a newspaper vendor.
Market. A noun. A place where people buy and sell things.
Example. My aunt went to the market a while ago.
Company. A noun. A business or organization that sells or produces products.
Example. My friend's father works for my uncle's company.
Quiz time.
Number 1. They found of the puppy that they found in the street. A noun. A person who owns something.
Letter A. Company. Letter B. Market. Letter C. Vendor. Letter D. Occupation. Letter E. Owner.
The correct answer is letter E. They found the owner of the puppy that they found in the street.
Number 2. Is new. Is not related to his previous job. A noun. A job or profession.
Letter A. Company. Letter B. Market. Letter C. Vendor. Letter D. Occupation. Letter E. Owner.
The correct answer is letter D. His new occupation is not related to his previous job.
Number 3. The of the pub had to pass his business to his oldest son. A noun. Someone who sells something.
Letter A. Company. Letter B. Market. Letter C. Vendor. Letter D. Occupation. Letter E. Owner.
The correct answer is letter C. The old vendor of the pub had to pass his job to his son.
Number 4. The new makeup collection will be in the soon. A noun. A place where people buy and sell things.
Letter A. Company. Letter B. Market. Letter C. Vendor. Letter D. Occupation. Letter E. Owner.
The correct answer is letter B. The new makeup collection will be available in the market soon.
Number 5. Joshua works for a that manufactures car parts. A noun. A business or organization that sells or produces products.
Letter A. Company. Letter B. Market. Letter C. Vendor. Letter D. Occupation. Letter E. Owner.
The correct answer is letter A. Joshua works for a company that manufactures car parts.
Speaking section.
What movie can you watch over and over again? Why?
The movie that I could watch over and over again is Happy, Thank You, More, Please. It's my favorite and it always makes me feel good to myself after watching it. It's a story about a group of people struggling in love, life, and passion. Each person has a relationship with the main character, who is a writer. I like watching it whenever I feel down because it cheers me up. Also, it makes me realize that timing is important in life. You will get what you need in God's perfect time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.